Hi y'all, this is Urban Sweetheart, Teresa again. I'm back at it. This time I'm gonna wash my, what do you call this wig? Micro twist wig by Sensationnel. This is the long one. I'm scared because I really like this wig. I don't want to mess it up. But you know, if you wear a wig a lot, it got to be cleaned. I could just put in some water and soak it down real fast. I'm gonna take a chance. Again, like I said, because what I try, I save other people from either making a mistake or I show them a quicker way to get it done. So I went to Walmart and I found these mesh bags. This is the big old one. And I found a smaller one for undies and such. So this is the one I'm going to use right now. And I'm going to put just a drop of this soap in and some Downy for fragrance. So give me one second. So I put it inside, I folded it in half. And I'm just going to drop it in here. Say a little prayer. Father God, please let this unit come out unscathed. So let me see. That's about a cap full of Downy. And I said I was going to put a little bit of the peppermint soap. So I'm going to put it on a precise load. Tap cold water. And let's go. Back when this bad boy is done, show y'all how it came out. And I'm definitely gonna air dry it. Y'all don't have to worry, I'm not gonna put it in the dryer. Alright, so the machine has stopped. Alright. So let's see what we're looking at here. If I can unzip it. Here we go. It almost feels dry. Maybe I'll put a touch of oil or something, but the twist held up, even down to the ends. I wouldn't put nothing in it now. I would let it fully dry. Only thing, I'm gonna run my hands down it, make sure it's straight before I hang it up somewhere so it can fully dry. But it took all the glue, everything that was around it, off. It smells absolutely Downy delightful. Yep. So if you need to wash your braided units, ladies and gents, the washing machine, put it inside one of these mesh bags, and you're good. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe.